Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on a primer for your hair. We've got primers for our face, our eyebrows, and now there's a primer for our hair. This isn't a new product on the market, but today I'm going to be talking about the primer from Quidad. This is the Whip Curls Daily Primer as well as conditioner. And before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on social media. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this primer while you see the application. This is for all curl types and it promises to restore curls, moisture as well as softness. And just look at the size of this. I'm just going to tell you exactly how much or how big this is. This is 8.5 ounces or 242 milliliters or 241 grams. This is a really good size and it feels kind of heavy. There's a lot of product in here. Now this is like a mousse texture, so it does have that mousse application. And guys, this is luxurious. When I sprayed this into my hand, it was thick, it was creamy, it just felt like luxury. As you guys can see in the video, I did apply this in big sections. You don't need to use a lot of product, and that's what's really amazing. It glides onto your hair, it coats your hair really nicely. Now I'm going to tell you how to use it because there's two ways to use this primer. The first way is you can use this as a conditioner. It says apply to wet hair, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So when you're in the shower, you can apply this luxurious cream on your hair, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it out. And the way that I used it in today's video is I used it as a leave-in primer. It says apply small amount to damp hair, comb through and style as usual. And that's the way that I used it. I do have it in my hair at the moment and I do have a styler on top. I have to say that this isn't something that is a must-have in your hair stash. It really is just a little bit of a luxury product, something extra in your hair stash, but I love the application. I think this is something really nice to have. And if you're someone who's traveling and you're looking for more of a one product to refresh your hair in the morning, this would be great. So if you style your hair really well before you go away on a weekend or vacation, grab this, put it in your bag and just refresh your hair with it every day. I really enjoyed using it. As I said, it's not a must-have, but it was really nice. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it and we all learned something new because there's now a primer for all curl types and it's from Quidad. Thanks again guys. Drop your comments down below and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.